Did you know that the first programming language wasn't written in code? It was actually written in punch cards. In the early days of computing, programmers would use these cards to manually input instructions into a machine. Each card represented one command, and they had to be organized carefully to ensure the program ran correctly. Imagine sorting through stacks of cards just to get a program to work. This method was used well into the 1960s, and even influenced how early software was structured. It's fascinating to think about how far we've come since those punch card days.